Hello, I'm Kirby.
I'm Dana.
From KJF-TravelAdventures, and it's cruise day again. Yes, we are heading to Port Canaveral to get on a 4-day cruise on the Carnival Elation. So let's go. We used Port Canaveral. It's less than 10 minutes away from the port. They bus you in, and we saved 40% compared to port parking. The website is in the description. Alright, we are all on board. We already have done our muster drill. Checked in our muster station. Now it's time to eat. Let's go! We're on board. We had some lunch at Lido, which you've already seen at this point. And now we're just hanging out on the Serenity Deck at the back of the boat till the cabins are ready. Vacation mode activated. All right, our cabins are ready. We're in room U222, which is a balcony cabin at the very, very, very end of the ship. So let's go on a quick tour. All right, so we'll start at the door. This has all your safety information and your muster zone. Then we have some shelves and a safe, which the updated keypad safe, which we prefer. More shelves and a couple of drawers. Then we move in to the first closet. Lots of hanging options. And a big open space down there. And then your second closet, which has to hang longer things. It also has a full-length mirror. Then we'll move into the desk area, which has another little cabinet and a mini fridge. Little area to work. The chair for that, I guess, would be this chair. And then we have our king-size bed. I found Dana. So this is from the sort of hallway in. Here's your king-size bed. Some lights by the bed. There's no outlet solution on this side, but I do see it on this side. And this side also has a little nightstand, so 2 USBs by the bed there. Oh, we forgot to look. Here I see 2 American plugs. There's an English plug hiding back there. 2 USBs, European, excuse me. That's my mask, but they did also provide us masks, even though right now it is masks optional. Or April 2022 masks are highly recommended, but only required when embarking and disembarking. Woo! Here's our balcony. And our lovely port view. So I think we're gonna unpack and just chill for a little bit. All right. Y'all, I forgot the bathroom. I'm sorry. Hi again. All right, so bathroom has the big rain shower head with the adjustable handle. They have shower gel and shampoo. It is the shower curtain that I don't love because it gets a little close to you. It's a little fresh, but this is, considering our room is a very odd layout. It's a little funky. This bathroom for a cruise ship cabin is massive. So, there's that. And now we're gonna unpack. We're sailing away very slowly. It's a little rainy, so we're trying to find a place sort of undercover to also watch us sail away. There's not a lot of that, but All right, so we're on our balcony. We're sailing away.
No sailing, right? It's too gloomy.
It's drizzly and rainy.
The rain was coming in sideways earlier, but now it's just gloomy.
Yeah, so we're on, we're settled. Carnival has a new, right now in these COVID times, app for Embarkation called Verify, where you upload your like your vaccine card and your negative test and your health form, and then you just have to like show the pass at the port to check in, and it was so easy and so much better than like pulling out your vaccine card and pulling out your paper and hoping you don't lose anything. It was super seamless, so that was nice. If this COVID times continue and you continue need to have that, it's ship-wide now for Carnival. You can use that, so that's helpful. Anything else? No? Alright, well then we're just gonna chill till dinner time, probably. It's dinner time. We checked in for your time dining and it's an under a 10-minute wait, so we're heading there now. Y'all, what is this? Alright, so we're back from dinner.
We tried to make it to the welcome aboard show, but we're clearly not gonna make it.
No, we're not gonna make it. So we're just gonna chill in the cabin for a little bit, but dinner was good. Went to dinner, then we went down to the Apr2022 Bar to get the 50th anniversary beer, and Danny got the 50th anniversary martini. They were both pretty good. We're very fancy. And then we sat up on, I don't know what deck that was, the aft deck, and watched the sunset maybe for a little bit, and now we're back in the cabin to relax. Tomorrow is Nassau. We won't get off. It's going to be a ship day for us. So
we were told by a guest, another cruiser, that she heard from her travel agent that this ship was about half full. I can't. There's no way. It's so dead.
And we, in our Facebook group for this specific cruise, know of at least 2 families, cabins, whatever, that didn't make the boat due to weather delays for their flights. And when we were walking to our cabin at like 3:30 for sail away time, we saw 2 or 3 cabins that still had their door keys like outside, like nobody picked them up yet.
Like just in our strip of
little strip of room. So
it's not like we walked all the corners.
Yeah, so it might have started half full, but it's definitely not.
There were some storms, I think, delayed a lot of travel and messed people up. So
if you have the luxury of traveling to your departure destination the day before your cruise, definitely recommend it. Especially Florida weather changes on a dime. So
Orlando's the lightning capital of the world. So
yeah. Anything else for tonight?
No, I'm gonna crash.
Yeah, we're gonna crash. We'll see you in the morning. Bye.
Bye.
Good morning. We're still sailing into Nassau. I think the all aboard time, all you can go ashore time, well, I can't talk, is like 10. So it's 8 a.m. We've actually been up for a while. We got up to try and record a mostly people-free ship tour. So make sure you're subscribed so you can see when that drops. And now we're gonna go get breakfast in the dining room. officially docked in Nassau. Wow, still can't talk after coffee. We are not getting off the ship, so I think we're just gonna head up to like the fitness center and see if the steam room and sauna are open, and we're probably just gonna chill by Serenity, and then we'll probably take a nap because we got up pretty early to film a mostly people-free ship tour for you guys. So let's go. Hello, it's dinner time. We had It's elegant night. We had a pretty casual day.
We didn't have an elegant day.
No, we did nothing. We relaxed. We did absolutely nothing. It was great. We sat by Serenity for a long time. We went to the steam room in the gym. We took like a 2-hour nap. Not exciting vlog content.
Glorious though. It was glorious.
But it was awesome. So it's dinner time now. There's a Viva Variety, which is it's a singer tonight. So we'll see, and we'll see what else.
Plan.
That's the plan. Let's go.
Her tower, she sits by the hour, maintaining her head. Oh, little girl, God, see your rush. You're missing all the flowers. The sun won't set for hours. Enchanted evening. Someone may be laughing. No point anymore if I can't love. No matter how far, to fight for the right without question or pause.
All right, we're back in the cabin. I know I'm tired. That was a big sigh. Dinner was really good. That mushroom bisque
That's like my
is
favorite.
the favorite. This was only a 4-day cruise, so there was no lobster option on the elegant night.
We both got seafood.
But we both got seafood. They sang happy birthday. You can't avoid it. Like you have to put your birthday to get on the boat. So like you can't lie to them and avoid it. So they knew it was my birthday. They sang. It's okay. I got a silly napkin hat.
It's a tragedy.
It was fun. It was fun. And then we saw Chuck Wagner, who was the variety singer, who was really good. He's been on Broadway for like 40 years or something. So it was not just singing. He like kind of gave us his life story in between songs and what led to the songs, and it was really
clever
good.
Setup.
Yeah.
To get to all those songs.
It was really good.
Like songs that you knew, and then songs if you're not a Broadway nerd, which we are. But if you're not, then you might not know. So it was very good, and he's a good storyteller.
Yeah,
I think.
it was really good. And then we went to Alchemy. We got a drink and relaxed, and now we're back in the cabin. It's a relatively early day tomorrow in Princess K, so probably just gonna relax, and we'll see you tomorrow. So this is I'm Kirby.
I'm Dana
from KJF-TravelAdventures. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified when the rest of our vlog series posts and all of the rest of our videos. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.